You're going to?
No.
How long does it take to move this?
I came out, don't blow.
Don't move.
Please, I'm told that the child is playing coming up.
Please, can you just give us that?
So what we do, let's walk on the Zoom. That's how we will send it.
Yes. Yes.
Can we ask is there anything you want to tell us? Let's go to the next.
Yes, sir. What do you do? Just ask a question. Okay, so just to ask you, you said you've noticed that this was on the line. How long do you think this has been? When did you notice this?
Okay, we just noticed it on last weekend.
Okay, last weekend. But so if you look at this 24 inches pipeline,
yes,
you can see that because of the coatings,
yes,
it has not rusted. So it tells you the capacity and the nature of this kind of pipe. Now, if you look at this,
yeah,
this is not something that happened 1 year ago. From the rusty nature of the nuts, bolts, and all of that, it doesn't look like anything that has happened less than 7 to 10 years. If you look at the rustiness of this, and
you can't say it.
okay, so but it's not 1 year. It can be 1 year rustiness.
It can be by